we're gonna be making unicorn slime with this unicorn slime kit. And it says that we can make 4 different kinds of slime. The cloud slime, the fishbowl slime, the foam slime, and the jelly cube slime. So I'm so excited. Let's open this. Slime. Harleen, what color do you want? Okay, we will do pink because it's her favorite color. So even I like it. So first of all, we need clear glue.
You sure?
Like this. So guys, now we have the glue inside and we're gonna put the coloring. As Harleen choose pink, we're gonna put pink. I'll open it. Okay, let's add a few drops. Wow! I think that's enough. Harleen, let's choose. I think strawberry flavor. No. I want this. Okay, though. Let's choose candy. I'm gonna put the scent inside. Few drops. 1 and 2. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna do a bit and then Harleen. Do you want to pick on? Is it fun? I'm so excited, guys. It's your turn. Okay. And the last thing, let's put some activator.
Is it really the last thing? Did you forget about something?
Let's add like some fish meat and something. What should we add? I don't know because there's so much stuff.
I think you should put the activator first.
Okay. I built it.
No, that's a glue.
I built it. Harleen, you gotta be careful, so I'm gonna do it. 1, 2. I think that's enough. Now mix it.
So it's mix.
Mix. It's ready! It's ready! And it's so nice. Let's touch it. Yes, please. It's fluffy, okay. It's nice? Yes. It's fluffy and cool. It's a bit sticky.
I think you need to do it with hands too.
Oh. Wow. It smells like candy because we added some candy scent. So fun. I love the purple flake. Let's play with this. Okay, take a bit. That part is great.
Yes, it's so great.
He isn't it? Well, I love it.
to look.
So we're gonna make it a bit more nice because it's still a bit sticky.
It's sticky.
I love it. So now we're gonna put this in the container and let's make a new one. Okay, let's put this. Let me help you. Okay. Put this inside. So it won't dry. Okay, wait, I will help you. Now it's time for the blue slime and we're gonna put some
This time Harleen will put the activator.
Okay.
Harleen, let her put the glue, then you will put the activator.
First we're gonna add coloring. Let's add blue.
I think blue with white pearls will look nice.
Yes.
Let's have it blue here.
Let's add blue, this one. Let's add a big drop.
No.
Two. Wait.
Harleen, 1 minute.
Now let's add the scent and I choose the bubble gum. Okay, that's nice. More color.
Let's add.
Okay, let's add the color first.
Let's add it.
Okay, add a bit drops.
Let's Harleen for it.
Okay.
But that's it.
Now.
I think. Yeah.
It will be crunchy. Can I mix?
Wow. I mix.
Okay.
I think music is time कर लिया कुछ भी पालो. Harleen, दे दे हम दे दे.
Let's add joy.
Okay, there you go. Can I add some decoration? And add some fish beads. Can I? Okay.
पर 2 मिनट आ ही तेरी जा रही है. इन्हों हम खींच के काट दें. Okay, so now you can store it.
Okay.
How is it?
It's so fluffy and it's crunchy.
Ah,
Let's put it in. I think it's a bit too small. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye. Now let's play with this.